What's up? It's Emma. Happy freaking New Year. Today we are testing out Chamberlain coffee. Chamberlain dropped a coffee line. She's a coffee addict. I am also a coffee addict. It comes in this little pouch and it looks like a tea bag, but it's ground coffee. I bought a pack of 5 for $10, I think. So anyway, we're gonna try this and see what the hype is. Last night on New Year's Eve, I steeped a bag of coffee for cold brew. We'll roll that clip. Why, yes, it is 10:37 on Tuesday, December 31st, and it is going to be 2020, and I'm going to steep my coffee. What up from the past? So obviously for this video and to give Chamberlain coffee a proper review, I need to try it hot and I need to try it cold. That smells really nice. Comes out like so. That smells so good. Okay, let's do this. No matter, get it straight out fast. Wait, how do I? Wait. What?
Ooh, that sounded good.
You're too good to me. How do I measure 8 ounces of water? What's a cup to an ounce, bruh? 1 cup. Am I dumb? Did everyone know that? I've got the hot water and it says to gradually add it. I'm gonna cover it with this guy and put it in the fridge. Later. Yep, and now it's New Year's Day. We have both the hot and cold coffees here. I did want to read the description a little bit. It says that this coffee has tasting notes of chocolate, cherry, and nuts. It's a rich and smooth roast. It's also eco-friendly, and also the packaging is really cute. So let's try it. We'll try the hot one first. It smells delicious. Oh, that's really nice and light. I used to work at Starbucks and we would do like tastings. And so what you do is you sip it and you want it to kind of sit in the middle of your tongue just for like a few seconds. And then you swallow it and that's when you start to taste the notes. That is delightful. I really enjoy this cup of coffee. And you do make that slurping noise. It sounds really obnoxious, but that's kind of how you want to get it to the middle of your tongue to taste it. So I'm not just like being disgusting, although it sounds disgusting, that is like what you do to taste it. Now we're going to try it cold. I almost prefer it hot, believe it or not. This one, I used the exact proportions. I used 1 cup of water, as you guys saw last night, but it tastes a little watered down. But now we're gonna try it Emma's way and put ice and almond milk in here. Oh wait, I don't have almond milk, I only have oat milk, so that's what we're gonna use. And oat milk. That tastes like a latte. That's delicious though. Overall, that was a really pleasant experience. I was really surprised by the quality of the coffee and the tastes and flavors. It was not bitter at all, just really, really smooth. And I could see myself obviously drinking the rest of the packets that I own. However, I don't think it's that realistic for me to purchase coffee online and then have to wait for it. I'm just a little impatient and I would rather go to an espresso store or the grocery store and pick up ground coffee, or obviously go to Starbucks or whatever. So not sure how realistic it is for me to continue to buy this. In fact, I probably won't. But if you were looking for a good present or for someone that really loves Emma Chamberlain and coffee, this is a great gift idea and definitely something that's like super fun and interactive. I love, I don't know, just like the habit of making a hot cup of coffee in the morning. So I could see this just being really satisfying and a great way to wake up. Okay, and that is the tea on Emma Chamberlain coffee. It is very good, very tasty. Okay, bye.